Hi there, my name's Shaun Hollamby from AmD Tuning, and we're a performance tuning garage and workshop in West Thurrock in Essex, and we also run cars in the British Touring Car Championship. Well, we're a normal, everyday working garage, and so we're always looking at new opportunities to make some money, really. And we're a performance tuning garage. We do a lot of remapping. We run a rolling road as well. So anything that gains performance is good, but also we have a lot of customers who need DPFs cleaned because the DPF gets blocked up, and sometimes they're looking to take those apart, but it's a much better option to clean it, and then you're still, working with the car and how the car should work coming from the factory. So as soon as we found that out, we had a search around the internet, and Carbon Clean leapt out at us as being the best company to be dealing with. Yeah, my honest answer is that I was very sceptical and dubious, first of all, that you'd put sort of water and gas through the intake system and it would clean the intake and improve performance and solve lots of problems. But actually I've been proved wrong, and it's proved to be very successful. It does exactly what it says on the tin. Depending how coked up the car is, obviously you might need to run the car through the machine a few more times, but it works very well. And the DPF cleaner works fantastically well. We've had fantastic results from all the cars we've had. With some cars that would need a new DPF have gone away and it's completely clean and working perfectly. So we're really pleased with our tie-up with Carbon Clean.
Excellent. Bro, that's